Welcome to RetailOps. Today, I'll be walking you through the process of placing a phone order through our customer service tool. To get started, let's say one of your customer service reps receives a call from a customer, Aubrey Plaza, and she'd like to place an order over the phone. She lets you know that she's purchased from you before, so you begin by going into RetailOps to pull up her customer profile. To do this, go ahead and go into customer service, search. Let's switch over to searching for customers. Search for Aubrey. And go ahead and click on that search result. At this point, RetailOps is showing you the customer record for Aubrey Plaza. You can see a plethora of details, including her contact info, her email address, her phone number, if that was provided. You can see saved addresses, different customer notes. This happens to be a VIP level customer, so I'm assuming she gets the VIP treatment, of course. You can see RMA history and, most importantly, order history. So to create a new phone order, go ahead and press the button at the bottom right, New Phone Order. The process of creating phone orders breaks down into three main tasks. First, we'll be entering the billing address and shipping address. After that, we'll be adding items to the order. And then finally, we'll be collecting payment down here. Now, if you recall, when we were looking at Aubrey's customer profile, we saw she had two addresses saved. So to enter either of those saved addresses, all you have to do is press the address book icon here and go ahead and select the address that you'd like. The ship to billing address box, this will be checked by default. This will just ship the item to the same address in the used in billing. But if you uncheck that, you can enter a separate address. You can either enter a different saved address, or you can push the add button and add a new address. So let's go ahead and add another address just for kicks. And then let's give this address a name. Let's say shipping. Let's try to save this. Now you'll notice that an error came up in saving. What RetailOps is actually doing at this point, it's checking the address and trying to verify that it is a valid address. So in the little error message that popped up, it said that we're missing a suite number. So we're going to go ahead and add the suite number here. And then let's go ahead and try save again. It will go through and try to verify again. There have been slight changes, so the suite number has been moved up here to the main address line. And then the last 4 digits of the zip code have been added. But if these look good and these changes do look good, you can go ahead and push accept. Now let's go ahead and add an item to the order. To do so, you need to click the add item button here. Let's do a search. We're looking for some Mia flats, which are here, the Mia Lucy loafer. So we're going to click to add that. After you've added the item to the order, you can change the quantity, the price, and discount for the different line items. So let's say for some reason she wants a backup pair of these. Let's say because she is a VIP level member, that she gets a discount of 15% on the order. When you're finished adding items, you'll need to take payment. If the customer has any store credit reserved, you can apply the store credit to the order right here. Just hit the apply store credit button. Right above that, there's a drop-down menu to select the shipping service. So for Aubrey, since she is a VIP, we're going to go ahead and give her 1-day shipping. To the left, you can see the payment tab, and over here, this is where you'll be adding the payment info. If you're taking a phone order, you'll likely be entering credit card information for Aubrey here. but we're going to skip that for now since she does have quite a bit of store credit. So we're going to apply store credit, and you can see that that charge was successful. If this had been, if you had entered a credit card instead to pay for the order, then once you hit the authorized card button at the bottom here, RetailOps will retrieve the payment authorization from your integrated payment gateway, for example, authorize.net. Finally, when you're done adding items and collecting payment, all you need to do is press the push order button. This sends the order through the order screening process, and then once it actually passes that order screening, Aubrey's order will show up in your warehouse to start the fulfillment process. If you like, you can email an invoice to the customer by pressing the email invoice button at the bottom here. And you just go ahead and send that. And that's about it. We just completed a phone order for Aubrey Plaza. For more instructional workflow videos, please subscribe to our channel below.